Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be working on some more coaster sets, but this one is going to be, sorry you guys, the window's open if you hear the airplane. This one's going to be Wicked with the two ladies. So I'm doing a two-tone color. One half of the coaster will be green, one half will be pink, as that's the color of them. I've already skipped the boring part and mixed all the clear epoxy. So let's get this poured in here. Thank you everybody for all the love and support. Welcome to all my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I am also working on Sybil and Lucky Charm Scratchers epoxy coins because I had ran out of epoxy, y'all. It's crazy. This stuff goes quick. You know what I mean? Alright, that one's done. Let me wipe this off here. This is going to be a fun one to make. So this is actually a couple weeks before Christmas, but I can't show it until after Christmas because, you know, you don't want the person to see their Christmas gift that somebody ordered. So we got a little cup there. This one is full. Because I know the coasters can take a lot. We're going to fill that up. I'm going to put some more in this one too. Right there. Pretty sure you guys can see that. Alright, let me bring you down a little bit so it's going to cut my head off here. So get you two clean sticks because you're going to be using two different colors. So there's that green is pretty. It's really pretty. So I'll move that one to the side. And of course, Snore box is behind me as usual. Mix that up real good. Alright, I filled these Dixie cups up pretty full because I gotta do the coaster holder itself and the coasters. But when you first start mixing your mica powder, if you're like full to the top, stir slowly because it will just kind of like poof out of there because it's kind of like dust. And make sure you scrape your sides. I think this is going to be really cool looking. My husband actually got me some keychain molds for my other channel. People were talking about maybe doing a Snore box, which is my dog, but he's a big part of the channel. Maybe making some keychains. So I don't know. I'm going to see. Maybe I'll pour some today just to see how they're thick. I'll show you guys here when we're done pouring this. But man, this green is perfect, y'all. Y'all see that? Look at that green. So what you got to do is pour it at the same time. You know what I mean? That is the tricky part. So there's the green. We're just going to set you to the side. And now we're going to do the pink. There's the pink. It's going to be really cool. This is going to be a cool looking set. That's why I always put paper towels underneath the big cups of epoxy because you're going to have drips. Remember, you want to stir it slower when you first put your powders in because it'll come out. But as that green is sitting there, you know what I mean? The bubbles are coming out and stuff. Always scrape your sides. Oh, these colors are perfect. The Wicked. I don't have the stickers print out. I have to print those out to put in the coaster set. I'm making another phone, like a phone stand, not a phone, well, a phone holder, phone stand, whatever you want to call it. Oh, these colors are perfect. It's really the only pink I have, too. But yep, so these will get green and pink in each coaster and the coaster holder. And then it'll set for 24 hours and then it will get the stickers and then it'll get clear the next day. Y'all know how it goes. This takes time. Look at that pink. Y'all see that? Look at the pink. They're full. Kind of scrape my popsicle sticks off there. As you see, the bubbles are coming to the top. Once you let it sit for a little... King, you gotta move, baby. Move over. He always has to lay right underneath my chair. I'm gonna try to bring you guys in here. Drop this down. Turn that down like that. I got a lot of projects going. That's perfect. So I'm gonna move this out of the way for right now because we're doing the coasters, and each coaster is going to get green and pink. That's just how you gotta pour it. Just like that. See if these could use a little more. Now I can swirl these, but I think it's gonna look good just the way it is. All right, that's it for those. If you guys see it. So you know I'm gonna take the alcohol here. Just kind of help pop them bubbles. You'll see it change on the camera there, hopefully. So that's gonna sit for 24 hours. That is so cool looking. Now we gotta pour some more for this coaster holder, which is probably gonna take quite a bit. So I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna pause this real quick. I'll be right back. All right, so I mixed another Dixie cup of green and the pink here, and we're going to start on the coaster holder. I figured I'd skip the boring part. Let's see if you guys can see here. So we're just going to pour at the same time, because half of it will be green and half of it will be pink. Woo, that's full. You know what I mean? I actually have a little extra to put in here. Do this pink. Because these will just get a sticker and some clear, but these are fun. These are going to be fun looking. A fun one to do, you know what I mean? That is pretty full. We're just going to lightly tap it. Make sure we get any bubbles out. And I'm going to do the alcohol thing again. See how it starts changing? Just helps get the bubbles out. You can't do this with the clear because I noticed it just does not cooperate right. So that's where we're at today. So this stuff has to set for, yeah, obviously you guys know, 24 hours. I got this stuff all over me. And then we will get the stickers on them and seal them in with some clear. But this is definitely going to be a fun set. I'm super excited about it. So we'll see how it looks tomorrow. All right, so it has been actually a little over 24 hours. So here's the coaster holder. I did the green and the blue, so it'll be a two-tone coaster holder. I'm just going to leave that in there for another day and set before I try to pop it out. So here's what the coasters look like before I put the stickers in. Absolutely gorgeous. Them colors are beautiful. This is the sticker that it is getting. The Wicked princess thing. I really need to watch it because I haven't watched it. This stuff is everywhere. But I tell you what, the colors I picked with the stickers, don't mind the over pour on there. I got that off. Check that out, y'all. Dude, that freaking turned out amazing. These are beautiful. So Kim, I hope you really like these. I made these before Christmas. You probably get them a little later because it was a last minute order. But I hope you enjoy these. I hope you like them. I think they turned out amazing. So I've put the stickers on 3 of them so far. Dude, that is so cool looking. So let's go and get this other sticker on this last one here. And then we're going to pour clear on the coasters to seal them. And then they need to set. And then I'll pop them out. And then they need to set for a week. So that's why, sorry, Kim, you won't quite get it by Christmas. So these turned out amazing, you guys. These did. I had printed more stickers, but they were too small. And then, as you can see sitting here, I can't pick it up because I poured. My husband bought me some molds. And there's 3 molds. And each one has, make sure you guys can see, each one has a 3-inch, it might be 3.5-inch, very thick circle with a hole for like keychains. So I printed up, well, I made a logo of Snorbox. Let's see if I can pull it up here on my phone so I can show you guys. So I'm thinking about making some Snorbox keychains. It's for my other channel. It's my Fur Baby King. Let's see if I can show you guys on my phone. I designed it. There you go. See that? So the idea is to print this out small enough to put in these circles. I do believe they're 3" or 3.5. They're pretty big, but they have the holes up there to put something for a keychain or to hang it. So that's my plan with these, okay? Hopefully. But today, let's go and get this clear poured on these coasters to get them setting. The coaster holder's fine. It doesn't need anything because it's full. I can't get no more on that. These are going to be freaking badass. So let's go. Make sure you guys can see. Y'all can pretty much see. Oh, yeah, y'all can see. So let's get this clear in here. I want to get them set just right so I don't have to move them. I got one order working on over here. Another order I'm working on over here. There's a lot going on, y'all. So I already did the boring part. I mixed up the epoxy. So let's get some clear poured in these Dixie cups here. And guess what? There's a damn fly in here, y'all. Alright, so here we go. We're just going to seal these in. Seal them with some clear. And then whatever clear I have left over, I'll probably pour in this mold. It's not a for sure that I'm going to make Snorbox keychains, but that is the idea that I want to do. And then you guys know I got to sit here with the heat gun for a while to get these bubbles out of this clear. You can use a torch. A torch works really good. A little lighter torch thing like this, what I got here. But the thing is, when you use it and it's something in a plastic rubber mold, it will melt the mold. So there is that. That you don't want to do. You don't want to melt the mold. So I'm actually going to take a stick here, popsicle stick, and kind of just move this clear around to the edges. Make sure it meets all the edges. These turned out so cool. These were actually a lot of fun to make, you guys. So like I said, Kim, thank you, No Jackpot, No Problem, and family, and Kim, and everybody for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Like, it is self-leveling, but I'm just trying to hurry it up a little bit. Getting it to the corners where I need it to go. It gets there on its own time. These are so cool looking. So we got that. I am actually going to pour, I need to put some color in this one. I'll just pour a little bit in this one here. Maybe I'll do a clear one. And that's it. I have some more projects over here I can use this clear on. So let me use this heat gun here and I'll get you guys in here to take a peek. Now, this is a resin heat gun because that's stupid fly. Like, if I were to use my husband's Milwaukee heat gun, it would probably melt the mold. So, there's that. So, let me get you guys in here so you can see. I'm going to have to sit here for a while and use the heat gun for the bubbles. Stuff like that. So, there's not much I can do. And we're going to let these probably sit for 2 days. We'll see how it goes. And then we'll pop them out together. Alright, you guys, this stuff is actually set for 48 hours. Don't mind the shimmer on my hands. So here's the coaster holder. I got this out off camera because I have my nails on. And let me tell you something. That was a royal pain in the ass to get out. But here's the coaster holder with the pink and the green. Alright, and here's the finished product, you guys. I know there's a glare from the window, but check that out. That is really cool. These were really fun to make. So let's get these out here. Wow. Look at the back side. Here's the front. Now, I like to let these sit for a week, and then I'll go through and I'll sand these edges, because these edges are actually pretty sharp. So there's one. So it's a set of 4 pink and green Wicked coaster set. That looks so cool. This is really cool. Kim, I hope you really like it. I think they turned out absolutely amazing. These were really fun to make. So let's get it. All right, you guys. This is the only project we're working on today. Or this week. I can't say that either. For this video, actually, you could take them out and turn them that way. So they match the coaster holder. See, it's pink and green. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Show your love and support. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you're interested in getting a coaster set or something made like that, you can shoot me an email at printtoscratcher@yahoo.com. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Kim, I hope you really like these. Till next time, you guys. I post a video every Wednesday, and I do random shorts here and there. I haven't gone live on this channel in a while, but I've been really busy. Hence, this is Christmas time, but I'm showing you this after Christmas. This was really fun. They are absolutely beautiful. So, till next time, you guys have a good one. Bye.